Hello India, Namaste, and greetings to all the CFOs and tax-curious citizens who have ever tried decoding the Income Tax Act. I am CA Pranav Goyal, and today we are diving into the single biggest overhaul in India's tax history in over 7 decades, the Income Tax Bill 2025. Yes, the Income Tax Act 1961 is finally retiring after 75 years of loyal service, thousands of amendments, and countless sleepless nights for CAs like me. It's being replaced by something leaner, cleaner, and hopefully kinder. Let's find out. It all began on July 23, 2024, when Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman stood up and said, "Enough with the legal jalebis. Let's give taxpayers a law they can understand without a tax dictionary." She announced a full review of the Income Tax Act 1961, and like a well-oiled audit plan, the government kept its promise. By February 1st, 2025, she told us the new bill was ready, and boom, it was tabled in the Parliament on 13th February 2025. So, from 1961 to 2025, what's changed? Let's talk numbers. The old Act, over 580 pages and 5.12 lakh words. The new bill, around 2.56 lakh words. That's 50% fewer words. 911 sections and 11 schedules in the Income Tax Act, now compressed to 536 sections and 16 clauses. 1200 plus provisos and 550 plus explanations gone, replaced with straightforward clauses, sub-clauses, subsections in the new Income Tax Bill 2025. And guess what? Not a single proviso or explanation remains. They've all been gently and respectfully sent off to tax heaven. So what's new in the Income Tax Bill 2025? The lawmakers finally decided to declutter. No more dangling exceptions, no more layered interpretation. Everything now lives within the clause itself. Cleanly drafted, numbered and structured. The intent, better clarity, less litigation and zero guesswork. Previous year is out and tax year is in. Forget the confusing terminology. No more assessment year versus previous year. Now it's simple. The year you earn in equals tax year. The year after equals nothing to decode. Section 2 of the Income Tax Bill defines 112 terms in one place. That means no more treasure hunts across 900 sections to understand one word. Now here's the cool part. Even with all this pruning, the essence of the 1961 Act is retained. The Income Tax Bill respects the legacy, but with a structure it would be proud of. Take charitable trusts, for example. They've been amended over 20 times since 1961. Now, everything is in one shiny new chapter, Chapter 17B, from registration to accredited tax. We now have 16 schedules in the Income Tax Bill. And here's what they cover: financial instruments, investment conditions, income exceptions, political parties and electoral trust conditions, profits from profession, agricultural bonds, yes, that's new, provident funds, gratuity funds, superannuations, and even investment rules for charitable trusts. Goodbye Section 11.5 chaos. Let's decode some key clauses that matter to you. Clause 15, income from salary. Clause 20, income from house property. Clause 26, business or profession. Clause 67, capital gains. Clause 92, income from other sources. Clause 96 to 100, clubbing provisions. Clause 108 to 121, set off and carry forward. Clause 122 to 154, deductions. 80C to 80U, now live here. Clause 160 to 177, transfer pricing. Clause 190 to 205, special tax regimes. Clause 207 to 220, non-residents and foreign companies. Clause 263 to 286, return filing and assessments. Clause 292 to 301, search-related assessments. Clause 332 to 355, non-profit taxation. Clause 356 to 374, appeals. Clause 390 to 398, TDS or TCS, cut down from 65 plus sections. Clause 439, penalties and prosecution. Final thoughts. It's simpler, maybe friendlier, let's hope. The Income Tax Bill 2025 is ambitious. It trims the fat, clears the clutter, rewrites the rules for a new digital global startup heavy India. But it also raises one question. Is this truly simplification or just better packaging of the same complexity? I'll be breaking this down clause by clause, industry by industry, right here for you, because taxation should not feel like decoding the enigma. It should feel like a coffee conversation. So follow me, CA Pranav Goyal, as we humanize most complicated tax law overhaul in our generation. Like, share, comment, and save this for your next teen tax meeting. Until next time, stay informed, stay compliant, stay smart. Jai Hind.